All right, let's talk about something incredible, but potentially intimidating. Genesis.ai. Now I get it. Hearing about physics engines and simulations might sound super technical, but stick with me. This is a technology that could change how we think about robots and artificial intelligence. And it's not just for researchers in white lab coats. It's something that impacts everyone curious about the future. So imagine this. You have robots, and they need to learn a lot. For years, that learning has been slow and expensive because it's hard to teach robots in the real world without risking costly mistakes. Genesis.ai flips that challenge on its head by creating a virtual world where robots can learn at lightning speed. At its core, Genesis is a platform. It's a physics engine, basically a software brain, designed to mimic how the real world works. You've got robots walking, interacting with objects, even slipping on ice, all inside a computer simulation that's incredibly accurate and fast. It's more like working in a 3D software. But okay, here's where it gets cool. Genesis isn't just realistic, it's fast. We're talking up to 100,000 simulations running at once. Think about that. It's like giving robots decades of experience in just a few hours. Imagine how quickly you'd learn to drive if you could practice 1,000 parallel scenarios simultaneously. And then there's this feature called the Generative data engine. What does that mean? Well, you can type in a simple instruction like, simulate a robot navigating a wet floor, and boom, Genesis generates everything you need to make it happen. It's like having an AI assistant that builds virtual worlds for you. Now, no tech is perfect, and Genesis.ai is no exception. One of its biggest challenges is the sheer computational power it demands. Imagine needing a high-end gaming PC times 10 to fully explore its potential. Not exactly something everyone has lying around. And here's the thing about the generative data engine. It's not entirely ready yet. Some of the most exciting features are still being worked on, which means we're looking at potential rather than a fully finished product. Even with these hurdles, Genesis is a big deal. It's opening doors for researchers, startups, and hobbyists to push robotics further, faster. Whether it's self-driving cars, delivery drones, or robotic assistants in your home, this technology is paving the way for smarter machines that can do more with less human input. At the end of the day, Genesis.ai is about possibilities. It's about turning science fiction into science fact. And while it might not be perfect yet, it's a step toward a world where AI and robotics feel as natural and intuitive as flipping on a light switch. So, what do you think? Is Genesis.ai the key to the next tech revolution, or just another stepping stone? Either way, it's clear we're heading into a future where technology keeps breaking the limits of what's possible. If this kind of innovation excites you, stay curious. Because the best part of the future is that it's always just beginning. In the video description, you can find a GitHub link to try out this tool if you're curious about knowing how it works. Also, consider subscribing for more videos like this.